Good day. I am Maria Liana Ruth Alvarado, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information of Technology, major in Special Management Program at Laguna Polytechnic University of San Pablo City campus. I am applying for a management position or any role where can I contribute my strength in operation management, administrative functions, and sales leadership. I bring 13 years of telco sales service where I serve my key roles such as admin, encoder, sales coordinator, and trainer for new agents. Throughout my 13 years in the telecommunication industry, I was responsible for monitoring daily sales performance and ensuring accuracy in all reports by sales team. My KPI focus on tracking sales achievements and validation transaction and providing timely updates that guided decision making at management level. As an admin encoder, I handle daily sales encoding and data verification, preparation and analysis of sales report, documentation and compliance task, coordination with both fields and office teams. These are responsibility train me to be detailed oriented, organized, and consistent in meeting deadlines. In addition, I work as a trainer where I conducted onboarding sessions for new agents. I trained them on product knowledge, customer handling, system navigation, and a sales process. This role strengthened my leadership, communication, and team development, all essential for management work. My skills and strength are my experience allowed me to develop strong competencies in operations and sales monitoring, administrative management, data analysis and reporting, staff training and performance support, multitasking in a fast-paced environment, clear and professional communication. My program also enhances my ability to work with systems, troubleshooting basic technical issues, and improve workflows using technology. With my solid background in sales operation, my ability to handle administrative functions efficiently, and my experience in guiding and training people, I am confident that I can contribute effectively in management or supervisory position. I bring not only experience, but also professionalism, adaptability, and commitment to continuous improvement. Qualities needed to lead a team and support organizational goals. Thank you for your time to review my application. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my background and skills can value to your organization. Once again, I am Maria Liana Ruth Alvarado, and I appreciate your time and consideration.